Number 5. Alienware Area 51M. Many of you don't know that Dell has launched the Alienware series for those who want dedicated gaming laptops, and this Alienware Area 51M has proved that. The thing which makes this workstation an ideal in this list is its powerful DNA inside. Anyone who loves to work on a bigger display, this is the perfect option for those, as it has got 17.3 inches of Full HD IPS anti-glare display with Tobii eye tracking technology. It has inside a powerful 9th generation Intel Core i9-9900K 8-core processor with 16 MB cache and max turbo frequency up to 5 GHz. Number 4. Dell G515 G5590. Any other laptop buying guides is incomplete without adding a single Dell laptop, so here is the Dell G515 to fulfill this list. There's an ideal laptop that you can use for any purpose, such as for AutoCAD, graphics designing, architecture work, gaming, and much more. It's got a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display, which provides stunning clarity and superior color richness from a wide angle. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the newest Intel Core i7-9750H 9th generation processor, which can be clocked up to 4.5 GHz. To handle heavy multitasking in this device, it's backed by the 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. On the storage front, it comes with a huge 1 TB of HDD and 256 GB of SSD drive, which provides lightning-fast reading and writing speeds faster than the HDD. Number 3. Acer Predator Helios 300. This Acer Predator Helios 300 is another gaming laptop in this list. Acer has launched the Predator series laptops only for gaming purposes. It doesn't mean that you can't use it for any other purpose. It's just because all gaming laptops packed with a powerful configuration you can use for any purpose, and it'll easily handle any of your tasks. Speaking about the internals of this laptop, it's powered by the 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H processor and backed by a huge 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is capable enough to handle heavy multitasking with ease. To handle high graphics games as a gaming laptop, it's equipped with 6 GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 dedicated graphics card. On the storage front, this laptop comes with 256 GB of the fastest and most secure SSD drives. Number 2. Asus VivoBook K571. If you're looking for the thin and lightweight laptop, then this Asus VivoBook K571 is the best option for you. The star black finished chassis of this laptop gives it an elegant and stylish look. This VivoBook has packed all the powerful specs in a just 0.9-inch thin stylish package, which weighs 4.7 pounds only, so you can easily carry this notebook with you. The Asus VivoBook comes with a standard 15.6-inch Full HD IPS ultra-fast 120Hz refresh rate display with an 80% screen-to-body ratio, which gives seamless viewing experiences. Its wide view technology delivers richer, deeper, and more accurate colors from up to 178 degrees. This one is equipped with the latest 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H processor with 2M cache and turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad L340. Topping this list, the Lenovo IdeaPad L340 comes with the latest and powerful set of hardware configurations. By looking at this laptop design, you can easily understand that this is a gaming laptop. If you love to play games on a bigger display, then you'll like this laptop, as it's got 15.6 inches of Full HD anti-glare display with IPS technology, which delivers accurate colors from a wide viewing angle. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the latest 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H processor, which is clocked up to 4.5 GHz. To handle your heavy AutoCAD or 3ds Max software, the laptop is backed by mammoth 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. If you're concerned about the graphics of this laptop, then it comes with 4 GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 dedicated graphics card. Now that we've shown you the best laptops for AutoCAD out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Processor. Starting with a processor, for the casual laptop user, a current Gen i3 processor is more than enough if all you need it for is casual browsing, viewing videos, and running light software. If you're a student, maybe, and you're hoping to play a few games possibly, then an Intel Core i5 processor or above will comfortably let you play games and work with more intensive software. Core i7 and i9 processors are top of the line and offer the best performance, but they come with a price tag to match. Go for these only if you know you have CPU-intensive software or want the best gaming performance. RAM. Every processor needs the support of the random access memory to perform at its best. It goes without saying that RAM is the backbone of a laptop. In most cases, individuals purchase the same by just asking about this feature to the concerned retailer. A majority of budget devices come with 4 gigs of RAM. While tab discarding is an automatic feature offered by certain brands and laptops, long-term performances are affected if lesser RAM is added into the mix. Therefore, if you have a tight budget, we would recommend you compromise on the processor and certainly not on the RAM quantity. In most cases, 8 gigs should be the staple of every laptop. Display. When you're going to spend the next few years looking at the screen, a small unattractive show is sure something you're not looking for. The display is also an important factor in a laptop for the AutoCAD or 3ds Max work. I suggest the display of the laptop for CAD and 3D work should be Full HD with IPS technology, which provides accurate color.